Wanna play with this one? This is the truck. How about this guy you wanna play with? Let me give you this. It's going to you. Oh, this is like all rocks. Oh. Look at this. Why don't you play with this one? This truck, look. Put some rocks here. Oops. How about this way? Yeah. Go play with that. And let me bring the other one here. Let me see, what are you doing? Oh, you're putting some rocks there. Oh, it fell. Oh, you put a lot of rocks there. How many did you put? 1, 2, 3, 4. How about we introduce the big fire truck with a ladder on it? What did you get? Did you get a ball there inside? It's a yellow and this red fire truck. Oh, that's a bulldozer. How are you putting those rocks inside? You drop 1. How about you put the ball here? Ba. 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 Okay, how about this guy here? Good, what you doing there? There's the ball here. Oh, that's a bulldozer. That's a bulldozer. You're putting some. Oh, yeah. Oh, 2. Are you feeling them? Lots of them. How about the other tractor? Oh no, it's a tow. It's a towing device it has here. It's a tow truck. It's a tow truck. Look at this tow truck. So we have bulldozer, we have tow truck, and we have this fire truck. There's lots of rocks. How many did you fill up? Oh, lots of them. Lots of them. Look at this. So you're filling up that way. You took it here and you're taking it here. And you're filling. Oops. Where are you putting those? Put it inside. Oh, he knows. Oh. What happened? So you got a lot. Put them. Hey. Look at this. 8, 9, 10. 10. Oh, where is your socks? That's funny. That's funny. Have you put it? Oh, you're about to fill that up. Okay, I got it. I got that one. Got that one. Are you also using hand? Okay, you picked one. to putting it there. Look at these, so many rocks. These are big. These are big rocks. Come on. Say bye. Bye for today.
Bye.
Bye. Why are you pressing the bell? Why are you pressing the bell? No more. Knock, knock. Here I am. Imran. Look at this guy. Knock, knock. Here I am. Are you on? He found the door open and he's going all the way. Knock, knock. Say, Mommy, I'm here.
Ma.
Ma.